get in the mood. That's very important. So just in general, like tip for the Paso Doble, it's not just like you stay and go, right? So before the dance, remember I told you to push walls kind of away from yourself. So that's the feeling how you create that mood for the Paso Doble, right? So then from here again, that's a little bit like a Spanish character um, wrist twist, right? Then you put on the partner's shoulder, right? And then you guys go up and push, right? Up and push. And Botafogo, slow. And here, I keep on the partner, right? So then you go here, ta, ta, quick, ba, 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 bum, ba, bum, and, sorry, подожди.